What is up, everybody? It's Expert_Fisher here. Today I'm back with another video. I just killed a blackbird. I just killed a cowbird. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a black body, brown head. They sound kind of weird. And yeah, graphic. Viewer discretion is advised. If you don't like hunting, don't watch this. If you like seeing dead animals and getting them skinned, then here you go.
You just want to see
perfect
where
for you.
it ended up, Tyler.
Okay, so I shot him right through the head.
Yep.
Right through. No problem. Okay, so I'm just gonna figure out where to put you guys. You hold it right here. Let them watch me skin it. Ow. I just have to get my pocket knife out. I actually shot it with the Red Ryder. It was a one-shot, two-shot kill. It was on the ground. It wouldn't stop moving. So I had to go get it. But
Sorry, the stick's in the way.
long legs. Yeah, they're pretty hard. I'd say
I zoomed in, Tyler, for you.
Don't zoom in.
Huh?
Don't zoom in. Yeah. Guys, you got him right in the eye. Yeah, see, there's his eye right here. Don't zoom in. His eye's right there. That's his pupil. Huh. Pretty nice shot. So, let's get plucking him. Oh, and by the way, crafting this gun.
Alright.
Can you go get me some?
Well, I have to record.
No, you don't.
Well,
I can just record. Here, pass it.
you can go,
Go get me crafting.
get your crafter. You can go get it.
Huh? No, because you won't pluck it. Okay, so this is actually kind of hard, guys. Probably because it's so fat and you zoomed in. Don't zoom in. Okay, so guys, I'm going to set you guys down. So, actually, I think I might be able to do this. Lean on this stick. Okay, so you guys are going to be facing me. Okay, guys, sorry about this, but yeah, I'm going to keep plucking him. I'll only go get my craft dinner now. Salt, pepper, and a fork.
Okay. Where do I put it in?
A bowl.
I'll get Mom to get it for me. Wait, we're not taking the bowls out here.
Yes, we are.
Where are you going to put it?
Right there.
We can do it after you're done your video.
No, just get me it now. I might be eating this guy. Actually, yes, I will.
Why?
Because I shot him in the head. The body's perfectly fine. No reason why not to eat it.
It eats other birds.
So?
I hate starlings.
It's not a starling. It's a cowbird. Leave it in the description below if you guys want a leg. Because I got 2.
Actually, 4.
Oh,
Is
there's
the last
another.
one you skinned, Tyler?
Yeah,
You had
so.
2 other legs that you threw away.
Yeah, I did.
Or do you guys want a bird wing?
Is that blood?
Or do you guys want a
Oh,
bird wing?
No.
You want to keep them, Tyler?
Yeah. And here comes some geese. I'm actually in my front yard. In my bush. His leg's so... Look at... I just pulled, like, his muscle out. Oh, shoot. It's stuck to me. Yeah, there's his leg muscle. Owen, go get me my craft dinner, please. Okay. And bring it out here. My knife has feathers on it. I'm going to continue plucking him. Actually, guys, I think I might... Yeah, I'll eat them after I'm done my craft dinner. Sorry you guys aren't facing me. You guys are facing the ugly trees. But it's fine. His body temperature's warm. Okay, I'm going to decapitate him now. And if you guys want a head, leave in the description below. I'm just going to throw it up. Oh, shoot. I did it the wrong way. There's a lot of feathers. How do you like me now? Why is it so hard to decapitate birds? Big birds. He's actually moving. Yeah, he's actually moving a little bit, so I'm going to stab him in the head. Oh. Graphic viewer discretion is advised. He's definitely dead. I want to see his face. Doesn't really have much of one. Okay, guys, this is actually getting way too hard. It's cold. I'm actually just going to throw him away. But yeah, that's my video for today. Ow. Hope you guys enjoy. That makes you flying everywhere. Peace out. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.